Have you ever wondered how spending time in a forest garden could transform your health? Forest gardening mimics natural ecosystems, offering a diverse array of fruits, nuts, and herbs packed with nutrients. This abundance supports a balanced diet, improves gut health, and provides antioxidants that boost immunity. But it's not just about food. Immersing yourself in a green, biodiverse environment has been shown to reduce stress, sharpen focus, and enhance mental clarity. Would you consider growing your own forest garden for better nutrition and peace of mind?